So today I'm about to show you how to schedule a task for an agent in Fluid.io step by step. If you want your agent to run automatically based on your prompt, this will help you set it up fast. Let's get started. First, open Fluid.io. Next, click on New Flow. Make sure you switch to agent mode. Now, input your prompt for what you want the agent to do. After that, Neo will break it down and generate the workflow for you. Once everything is set, you'll see an option to schedule this as a task. Click it, then set your preferred schedule. So, just a tip, better results, use clear and specific prompts, review Neo's breakdown before scheduling, and start with simple schedules first. And that's it. That's how to schedule a task for an agent in Fluid.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.